Are you the kind of person who always carries around a lot of stuff whenever you're on the go, whether it's for work or for fun? You might want to be carrying your gaming peripherals, among other things, like wherever you go. Now, one of the options that you have today is this ASUS ROG Ranger 2-in-1 backpack. Now, it can fit in 17-inch laptops easily, and it's actually two backpacks in one, in which case you can actually separate them and it'll become two backpacks on its own. But that's not what we're here for today. What we're going to be doing today is see how much stuff we can actually put into this backpack. My name is Simon from Port.net, and welcome to Techies Digest. So we're gonna start taking out stuff from this backpack on the back portion. This is like the smaller of the two backpacks here. So the main compartment is actually right over here. So we have like a 1.5 liter water bottle here, which I usually take everywhere I go. We have the ROG Strix Scar 2. Slowly put it down here, and the laptop's about to fall. No, the bag's about to fall, not the laptop. Here, and let's see. Silica gel. I'm just gonna keep this inside. So this is the only thing that's inside this one, and like I said, it's actually the smaller of the two. So if you plan on like traveling light, you want the back part of the Ranger 2-in-1. Now let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope, there is no other compartment. So with that, let's move on to the front, the biggest part of the ROG Ranger 2-in-1 backpack. So this is actually like the side compartment. If I'm not mistaken, ROG actually advertised like to keep the controllers on this side because there's not really much space here as well. So I have my hands-free here. I do believe I have something else inside, but it's kind of stuck. Alright, now let's see if there's anything else inside. Nope, that's all. It's over here. If you do have like a water bottle that's, well, smaller than this, kind of like your standard mineral water bottle, you can actually keep it here if you like. I can put this here, but I'll be forcing it, so I don't want to tear it. So, now we're gonna move on to the biggest compartment here in this ROG Ranger 2-in-1, which is this front over here. This is something you're gonna find out very soon about, so I'll just keep this a mystery for now, but let's just say for now it's just a small box. Is there anything else? There's still something in here. Hello! NANI? Hold on! I'm gonna pull you out of there! Hold on! I'm coming for you, buddy! That sounds wrong, but you get what I mean! Hello, Papa.